Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewer, today's paper is about Seismoionospheric anomalies associated with earthquakes from the analysis of the Ionosonde data. Junaid Ahmed is the lead author. Viewers, previous researchers have reported the earthquakes EQs induced ionospheric abnormalities such as electron density depletion and or enhancement, which the authors claimed were related to the impeding EQs. In this paper, the peak plasma frequency of the Ionosonde data from the Islamabad station was studied related to the July 24, 2015 M5.1, October 26, 2015 M7.5 and April 25, 2015 M7.8 EQs in Pakistan and Nepal respectively. The baseline of the running 30 days median commonly used in other stations were deployed on the FOF2 data to detect the abnormalities in the long-term data before the EQs. A detailed analysis of the FOF2 variability in a month before all the EQs of this study is then undertaken. There where 2 out of 3 EQs showed simultaneous deviation in peak plasma frequency relative to the confidence intervals. There is no percentage deviation in FOF2 data for the days associated with M7.8 proved no ionospheric signatures in the peak plasma frequency. The authors believe that the reason is the distance between the epicenter of M7.8 and the Ionosonde station, which was approximately 12 degrees longitudinal extension. On the other hand, the negative deviation beyond the lower confidence interval is critical frequency was detected for the mega thrust of M5.1. Similarly, positive FOF2 anomalies were recorded within 10 days before the main shock of M7.5, where there was no high intensity geomagnetic storm. These results suggested that in order to detect reliable seismoionospheric precursor, the Ionosonde station must operate within the range of seismic breeding zone. This article was published in the Journal of Atmospheric and Solar Terrestrial Physics in November 2018. Viewer, I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.